Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to download and install the Internet Download Manager in 2026. So further ado, let's get started. First, open any of your browser and search here for Internet Download Manager. You will see the internetdownloadmanager.com here. Click on it. And this is the official website of Internet Download Manager. Here we can see all popular browsers are supported like Edge, Extension, Firefox, etc. So what we are going to do is click on the free trial option. Then we will see the download Internet Download Manager. It is a 10 MB file. So click on the download option and click on save. And as you can see, our file is downloading. We will click the install IDEM extension for your browser. Click on for Google. Now as I'm using the Brave browser, the Brave option is showing here, and if you are using the Chrome browser, it will show add to Chrome. So I'm going to click on this add to Brave, and my IDM extension is already installed here. Now we just need to install the IDM. Click on it, click on the next, accept all the terms and condition, click on finish. And as you can see, we have successfully installed the Internet Download Manager on our computer, and it has automatically installed Internet Download Manager extension for our Brave browser or Chrome browser. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more tech tutorials like this. See you in the next video.